Hello everyone, welcome to new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to disable widget board on Windows 11. See here, this is the widget board. Sometimes it is very disgusting and annoying to us. If you want to turn it off, there are no option to disable it. See here, there are no option. But you can disable this by following a simple tips. Let's follow me. How can I do it? Now, right click on text bar, then click on text bar settings. Now see here, there are an option that is widgets. Now toggle it off. See here, the widget board is gone from here. That means the widget board is disabled. That's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like this and also as well as subscribe our channel. Thank you.